Welcome back everyone to the channel. Today we are opening up mystery packs we got from CVS and from Walmart, not Walmart, Walgreens. So here we have two of the TCG Lightning sets. These are from Walgreens and you could get them at, I believe it was $17.99 each, where you get 4 booster packs and a random evolution set. It's usually 3-stage set, 3 cards. And then we also bought a bunch of blisters, which include a booster pack with a foil card in it. All of these are Vivid Voltage. We got, I believe I got 8 of them. So it's like getting a Elite Trainer box. So let's have fun with that. And that was at CVS, and this is also from CVS. We got a mystery pack. These are $9.99 each. They may have vintage packs in them, so that is what we're looking for. I bought all 5. They only had 5 of them, so hope we get lucky. Let's start off with we're gonna start off with the TCG Lightning set that we got at Walgreens. So here we are. They have Lost Origin. This one has Darkness Ablaze. This one has a Shining Fates, Brilliant Star, Fusion Strike, and Astral Radiance. So let's start with the ones that we got from Walgreens. Where can I open this from? Here we are. Let's see if we can get lucky here. So it comes with 4 booster packs and a random holo card. They call it a bonus card. It's not always the greatest, but it's like luck of the draw. So we got a rare reverse holo Wormadam. Yeah, reverse holo rare, not too bad. Let's just pop open this other one. That we have here, and we got a reverse holo Lapras. Both of them are from Brilliant Stars, it looks like, based on the logo that's on it. So we'll start with the one that I opened first, which had the Wormadam. So we get these 4 packs. I am gonna place them in order of when it was released. So we're going to start with Shining Fates. Here's the code card. Bang. 1, 2, 3, 4. So we got Water Energy, Cramorant, Tropius, Rotom, a Snom, if it will focus, Grookey, Spinarak, Shinx, Horsey. Ooh, a shiny Dedenne. That's very nice. I did not have any sleeves ready for. Give me a second. I'm gonna grab it right now. Darkness Ablaze sleeves. Luckily I keep them on the side just in case if I ever needed them. There we are, shiny Dedenne. And then we got a Dreadnought as our rare. Good start, good start. Not complaining. Next up is our Fusion Strikes. You know what? Let's just do this. Next up is Darkness Ablaze. We'll do that instead. Might as well open every pack in order. Code card. That looks good. 1, 2, 3, 4. Water Energy, Grass, We got Flaffy, Ariados, Familiar Bell, Aron, Galarian Darumaka, Lavitar, Nickit, Bonsweet, Reverse Hollow Feebas, and a Vikavolt V. This is from that other pack that had Lapras in it. So, not too bad. What we can do is do that. This was from, pulled it, yep, I pulled at it. This is from the Wormadam pack. Code card already flipped. 3, 4, and I was gonna say fire again, but Mind, Lopunny, Skaters Park, Beware, Clobopus, Veneri, Totodile. We got Toxel, Sigilyph, Reverse Latias. Come on, focus. There we are. We got a little focus now. And Araquanid. Here's the next Fusion Strikes. Code card. For Metal Steel Energy, Quick Ball, Sharpedo, Heliolisk, Dewpider, Meowth, Onix, Choodle, Shroomish, Reverse Heatmore, and Azumarill. Alright, next pack, Brilliant Stars. Still looking for any of the Charizard cards that were in it. Haven't pulled any of those. Here's the code card. There we are. 1, 2, 3, 4, and Fighting, Water Energy. Magna Basin, whoops, skipped one. Groudon, Collapse Stadium, Chimecho, Chimchar, Minccino, Baltoy, Snorunt, Reverse Carablast, and a Liepard. Alright, next pack we got is our Astral Radiance pack. There we are. 1, 2, 3, 4. Grass Energy, Electric. We got Energy Lotto, Overquill, Kamado, Swinub, Nickit, Petalil, Bergmite, Hippopotas, Reverse Overquill, and a Hisuian Lilligant V. That's not too bad. I recall this is actually from the Wormadam pack. These two, I have no memory of which is from which. I believe the Gardevoir is from the Lapras one, and then the Zoroark is from the Wormadam. So let's go with the Wormadam first. Alright, 1, 2, 3, 4, and we got a Psychic Energy, Dark Energy. Alright, Swanna, Licky, Torkoal, Gligar, Phantom, Sudowoodo, Let's skip one. Bronzor, Electrike, Reverse Cameront, and another Cameront. Alright. Moving on. Last pack for the Lightning TCG set from Walgreens. Almost said Walmart again. It is Walgreens, not Walmart. Alright, TCG code 1, 2, 3, 4. And I skipped it. I was gonna say Psychic, but Fighting Energy, Lost Vacuum, Cascoon, Ambibomb, Hisuian Zora, Snover, Machop, Pikachu, Jinx, Reverse Vileplume, and a Mimikyu as our rare. Alright. That is it for that set. Next up, we're gonna move on to our Vivid Voltage packs. I want to get hyped up for the mystery packs, which has the seeded vintage packs in them. So hopefully we might get something good. Alright, these are all Vivid Voltages. For this part of the video, I am not gonna give out any more TCG Online codes. I did already give out 8 of them. I may give out one of these randomly. Won't tell you when, but I will just flip it at random. So let's just get these unpacked real quick. These do come with a random card. So we got a Cosmog from Celebration set. Next one we're opening up. Another Celebration card of Palkia. Not as fun as I wanted it to be. I thought it would be something different. We got another Celebration card, Zekrom, to put in. Here is another Celebrations card, Solgaleo. Come on, hopefully something different now. No more Celebrations. Oh, not a Celebrations card. It is a reverse holo. I guess they're trying to give out holo cards. Some of them are reverse. So we got Data. Don't know what set this is from. Comment below if you did. If you do know what it is from, where it's from. Can't talk. Wow, this one's sealed pretty good. Oh, we got a reverse holo Coding Energy. Not too shabby. Better than Celebrations cards at this point. Yep, here's another reverse holo. It's a Prugly. The Coding Energy looks like it's from Vivid Voltage. And this is not the same set as that Gatita. But here's a reverse holo Prugly. Not too bad. And our last one is that Prugly's from what's that set called with Urshifu in it? Can't think of it right now. Same set as Urshifu, because I just pulled the Single Strike Energy, Reverse Holo, Alright, now moving on. We're going to open up these real quick. Probably jump to the reverse, holo, and rare, just because that's where we're going to have all the fun. Alright, 1, 2. So I'm not going to go through the cards. We are going to flip. Ooh! Zacian! Amazing rare card. Zacian, amazing rare. Nice. That's pretty good. That is pretty good. Alright. We can still do to guess the energy. I skipped that one. That was a mind or psychic energy, whatever you want to call it. And again, I am going to show the code card at random. It will be a random pack that I will show it at. Alright, so fire energy. Whoa, I messed up. Well, here's our rare. It's a lightning energy. Whismer and Dynamo. Is this given to me wrong? Weird. Anyways, moving on. Next pack. Not expecting much from any of these packs right now, just because they were repackaged by a company and selling them for $7.59 at CVS. This was repackaged by MJ Holding Company. Whereas, let's see if I can find that lightning set. The lightning set was repackaged by the Fairfield Company. So, not expecting too much, honestly. It would be nice if I was able to find a good card. Water energy, electric again, and got a Charmander and a Jolteon. Still looking for the Rainbow G-Max Pikachu. In this set, I haven't found it yet. I have found all the amazing rares, amazingly. Oh, here's the code card. Focused. 1, 2, 3, 4. And we'll hold on to these two. Fire energy, metal. Alright, now the two cards. We got Kakuna Reverse Holo and a Terrekian. For the vintage packs, though, if I find any vintage packs, I probably will not open them. I might hold on to them for a bit before I open them. I'm looking to do a vintage pack video where I open just a bunch of vintage packs. So electric energy, I forgot to guess the energy, but yeah, that's what I'm planning to do if I find any vintage packs. Unfortunately, hopefully I can find one. Alright, we got Mudspray and Toucannon. Hopefully we can find a vintage pack. If not, it is what it is. It's a mystery pack. It says 1 in 10 seeded. Sometimes that's not even accurate, honestly. 2, 3, 4. Hold those two there, and we are guessing grass. Fighting energy. Alright. Ooh, amazing rare Rayquaza and a Galarian Darmanitan. Not too bad. That Rayquaza just got the pack back. Darmanitan, not so much. But yeah, not too shabby. Alright, two more Vivid Voltages. Here's another code card. Three, 4, and 1. Oh, I already got the 2. We are guessing fire. Metal energy. Galarian Perskr, and a Steelix V. Alright. Getting more rare cards than I anticipated. Last one. Out of 8 packs. 7 packs so far. Not too shabby. This packaging feels weird. Don't really like it. But anyways, I'm gonna give away this last code card just because. If focus for a second, we are guessing fighting. All right, so we got Lucario and Electros. I mean, that's honestly not too bad. We got 4 rares. All right. So now we're gonna open these one at a time. So it comes with a booster pack and a foil card. There could be a random first edition Gym Challenger pack, it looks like. This was packaged by MJ Holding as well. Purchases at CVS. These are $10 each. So, really hoping this is worth it. Oftentimes it really isn't, unfortunately. So let's get cracking. Wish me luck. No! Alright, the first one is a Vivid Voltage and a... the disappointment. It's a little bended also. Yeah, it's bended. Gosh darn it. Anyways. Alright, so we got another Vivid Voltage. Moving on to our next one. What do we got here? Battle Styles. That's what I was looking for. Battle Styles earlier. For those 2 promo cards. This one is from Chilling Rain, Cast Form, Snowy Form, Reverse Hollow. Alright, pack. Here's number 3. The disappointment in my voice. We got another Battle Styles. We got a Reverse Hollow Rare Staraptor from Brilliant Stars, though. So, still not worth it. Here is our 4th one. Come on. Lady Luck. Oh no. Gosh darn it. We got another Battle Styles. And a Celebrations Yveltal. I bought 5 of them. They didn't have 10 of them, so I couldn't confirm if it's 1 in 10. But here's our last one. That was a little disappointing. To me, it wasn't worth it this time. I got another Vivid Voltage and another Celebrations card. This is just the base set. Base cards from Celebrations. It's not even the more rarer cards. So that's a little upsetting. But it is what it is, honestly. Didn't get any vintage packs. So we're just going to open these up real quick. Battle Styles first. So we got 3 Battle Styles and 2 Vivid Voltages. Let's get lucky with these. Hopefully it's worth the $10 though. The card was already flipped, so all yours. Whoever gets it. 4. Alright, we're going to do the same thing we did with the Vivid Voltages from earlier. So keeping those 2 there. Battle Styles. Battle Styles did not have... I don't think Battle Styles had any good... I'm just going to do it anyway. So we are guessing Fire. Ooh, nice. First one in a while. Alright. Next pack. Four, and whoop, I forgot to flip these. So we got a Morpeko. Oh! Urshifu VMAX single strike form. Not too shabby. I don't think I'm getting my money back, honestly, from that. Alright, let's go Grass. Mind Energy. Alright. Flippo. We got Tool Jammer and a Victory Bell. Ooh, this Victory Bell looks old school. There we are. Final Battle Styles. One, two, three, four. Keep that there. And Water. Electric Energy. Glamio and Salazar. Blah, blah, blah. Vivid Voltage is now. Yeah, that last Vivid Voltage pack that I opened earlier felt weird. It's like unnormal. 1, 2, 3, 4, and we're gonna guess Dark. Mind Energy. Woo! Well, we got a Chimecho and a shiny Galarian Obstagoon. Woo! That is beautiful. Alright. Kind of worth it now. With the luck I'm getting from some of the packs, I guess. Not all of them, unfortunately, but I mean, I'm a little happy now. This pack looks resealed to me. I feel there's glue on it and everything. Yeah, there was glue on this. This was resealed. So, not sure if I'm going to get anything good out of this one, but never hurts to look. Here's the code card. Probably got used. 1, 2, 3, 4. We're going to guess Grass. Mind Energy. I already saw something in the back. So we got Pharaoh Seed and a Pikachu V. I mean, that's not too bad. Wish there was a Chonkachu, but there wasn't. It's okay. Well, I hope y'all enjoyed this video. If you did, please leave a like. Comment below if you think these packs are worth buying. Let me know if you think so. If you do, I will try and buy more of these in the future and open more up. Let me know which ones you think are worth it as well. I could go for those instead of all of them. But until next time, peace out, and I hope y'all have a great holiday if I don't see you again until after the holidays, such as Thanksgiving, which is coming up pretty soon.